The amazing Thunderbolt. Did you know thunderbolts are like nature's fireworks? They light up the sky during storms. But what exactly causes thunderbolts? Well, when clouds bump together in a storm, they make electricity. This electricity builds up and makes a big spark, like a giant balloon popping. That spark is called lightning. When lightning zaps through the air, it heats up really fast. So fast it makes the air explode. That explosion is what we hear as thunder. Boom! Thunderbolts can be scary, but they're also fascinating. They remind us of the power of nature and how amazing our world is. So, the next time you see a thunderbolt, remember the science behind it and marvel at nature's wonders.